Okay, so what are adaptogens, you ask? Well, think of them as your skin's best friends, the sidekicks that come to the rescue when stress and environmental factors are wreaking havoc on your complexion. Okay, but how do adaptogens actually work their magic? Well, it's all about their remarkable abilities to support your skin's resilience. They work on a cellular level, promoting homeostasis, which is just a fancy way of saying they help your skin maintain its balance by reducing inflammation, regulating oil production, and boosting collagen production. Listen, adaptogens can be found in various forms like botanical extracts, oils, or even in your favorite skincare products. Look out for ingredients like ashwagandha, ginseng, rhodiola, holy basil, and reishi mushroom. Ashwagandha, this mighty adaptogen helps reduce the signs of aging. It's like a fountain of youth in a bottle. Ashwagandha is scientifically known as Withania somnifera. Is an ancient medicinal herb from India, and it has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine. Okay, now when it comes to skincare, ashwagandha has anti-aging properties because it's rich in antioxidants that help protect your skin from free radicals. It also has soothing and calming properties. Ashwagandha has anti-inflammatory qualities that can help, soothe irritated or compromised skin. Now, here's the thing. Ashwagandha stimulates the production of collagen, a vital protein responsible for maintaining your skin elasticity and firmness. By promoting collagen synthesis, ashwagandha will help improve your skin's, texture and can help you reduce the appearance of sagging or loose skin. And of course, one of the key benefits of ashwagandha is its ability to fight stress. By reducing your stress levels, it can help minimize stress-related issues on your skin like breakouts. Okay, next we have ginseng. Ginseng is an herbal plant that has been used again in traditional medicine for centuries. It belongs to the Panax genus family and it's commonly found in Asia, particularly I think in China, Korea, and Siberia. And the term ginseng typically refers to two main species. So you have like the Asian ginseng and you have the American ginseng. Now, when it comes to skincare, ginseng is primarily valued for its anti-aging properties because it has antioxidant properties and it can neutralize free radicals. It also has anti-inflammatory properties and can help you brighten your complexion because it helps improve the blood circulation, which will enhance the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells. Ginseng is interesting in skincare because it also has moisturizing and hydrating properties. Ginseng contains compounds that can help retain moisture in your skin. Okay, next we have rhodiola. Okay, so say hello to your stress-busting ally. Rhodiola will calm your skin, will reduce redness, and it will help you combat or fight environmental damage. It's like a soothing cup of tea for your face. Rhodiola, is also known as the golden root. It's a perennial flowering plant from Europe, Asia, and North America, and it has a long history used in traditional medicine in Siberia and Scandinavia. What else? Holy basil. It's also known as tulsi. It's an aromatic herb. It has a cultural and religious significance in Hinduism, I believe. Holy basil has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine, and it's honestly a multitasker extraordinaire. Holy basil has antibacterial properties, is believed to have detoxifying properties that can help you eliminate like toxins and impurities from your skin, and that means a clearer complexion. Honestly, it's like a shield of goodness for your skin. And then we have reishi mushroom. Has a long tradition, history has a long history of use in traditional Chinese medicine. It's a fantastic fungus packed with antioxidants, and it also contains polysaccharides and amino acids that can help you retain moisture in the skin. It has hydrating properties, which can improve your skin's barrier, moisture barrier, and prevent water loss. Now, if you are looking for a product with ashwagandha extract, then I met you. Renewing Rich Beauty Moisturizer has ginseng and ashwagandha, I believe. It's a Korean skincare brand. What else? Tata Harper Rejuvenating Serum has ginseng extract. It also has natural neuropeptides and 40 high-performing botanical ingredients. It's expensive. It's around $140, but it will help you tighten your skin and minimize your wrinkles. Finally, you can buy also a supplement, sustainably US grown organic reishi mushroom powder. I'm going to put the links in the description box. Listen, take care of your skin, take the quiz, subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much for being here with me today. Bye for now.